Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through how you can withdraw cash from Sofi Invest account or Sofi Money account over to your external wallet. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. In case you're on a desktop, then you have to tap on the link that is www.sofi.com/wealth/app/withdraw. So you can also find this link on my description box below, and all you have to do is just tap on the link, and then you'll be directed to this page. So right on this page you have to enter from where the fund is coming, and then you also have to enter the address of the recipient where the fund is being transferred. So once you're done entering all of these information, right on top you have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and if you're sure about it, tap on review, which is right at the bottom, and then after that once again there's a confirmation, and then on the last interface you have to make sure that all of the information provided is correct, and if you're sure about it, tap on transfer money, and it might take a couple of days or a couple of hours in order to withdraw or transfer your funds. So all you have to do is wait patiently. So that is how you can withdraw cash from Sofi Invest account or Sofi Money account over to your external wallet. So that was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.